Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, and this video is going to be a tutorial of Bakrid gifts which you can easily make at home and distribute in your surroundings. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. I'm using these transparent ziploc which is easily available in market. Next is choose your candies, whatever you want to add. I'm choosing here Desi Pops, chew gums, some chocolates and jelly cups. You can choose your any candies which you want to add. And yeah, that's it. Our goodies are ready, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe. If you are interested in ordering such goodies, hampers and wedding favors, etc., make sure to DM us on Instagram. I hope you like this video. Bye.